Hey, so you're looking for a quality traffic source to promote your E1U Life business online to get results and to make sales. E1U is formerly called E1Up, and if you're looking for quality traffic, then you came to the right place. And I'm going to show you why. I'm a marketer first, and it's very important that when you're getting traffic, that you get it from a marketer, not just a solo ad vendor. There's plenty of solo ad vendors out there, people who just sell clicks, and that's what they do to make their money, right? But it's different when you're actually a marketer and you sell traffic. There's a difference there because the quality of traffic is different. And the thing that I want to do is basically tell you the importance of knowing your stats, knowing how to track everything, because a lot of people don't know anything about tracking when they're running traffic, and they come to me and they're like, okay, just run traffic to a funnel and just hope something sticks when they're running solo ad traffic, and that's something that you don't want to do. So if you're promoting E1U Life and you're looking at other people's reviews on YouTube, it might be because they're getting results, but they're not getting results just because they're running traffic to an offer. It's because they actually know marketing, they know their stats, they know their results, and they know how to optimize their sales funnels to be able to get the best results. And that's what I actually help people to do. And a lot of my leads are coming from Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing, PPC, and banner ads, as well as the Warrior Forum and other solo ads as well, and CPA marketing also, right? So my traffic comes from a variety of different sources and goes through our process to filter out the people who are not serious and to give you nothing but real traffic that produces results. And so the thing that I do when you get traffic from me is I help you to set up and manage your funnel and your offers. I'll give you the highest converting pages that give my clients up to an 85% opt-in rate. And I also help you to learn and understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, and I help you to build your list uh, with only the right people that engage the most, right? So these are the things that I help you to do. Whenever you buy traffic from me, you have that opportunity to set up a call with me to help you to be able to get results. So here's the first step. The first step is to select a traffic package, and there's a traffic package as low as 50 cents a click. So the more traffic you get, the cheaper it is. So it starts off at 80 cents per click, and it goes down as you get more traffic. Then step two is I will help you to optimize your funnel so that way you're getting anywhere from a 50 to an 85% opt-in rate for your E1U Life business. So if you're selling any of the E1U Life products, it's important to optimize your funnel so that way you get the best conversions and you're able to get the highest quality solo ad traffic for your E1U Life business. Um, and any package that you get, right, we set up the things for you, and your order is going to start within 3 days of your purchase or less, depending on um, how much uh, how much you get, right? So your order is going to start, um, and then you're going to be able to get those results, and you're going to also get an over delivery as well. And here's some of the results that people are getting. They're getting a 50% opt-in rate, 2 sales on 50%. This is only 200 clicks right here, and these are people that don't have my setup that I help people to do, but they're still getting results, and they have a 50% opt-in rate with 5 sales, 200 clicks. Here's another one, 52%, 91% T1 in sales. Here's another one, 220 in 3 sales out of 200 clicks. Here's another one. Here's 7 sales out of 200 clicks. Here's another one, 200 clicks, 4 sales. Here's another one. Here's somebody with my custom setup right here. She had an opt-in rate of 88.9%, almost 89%, and 5 sales, 3 within 24 hours, and 2 on email follow-up. Here's somebody who promoted another offer and got 2 sales and one upsell, and they didn't have the custom setup. Here's somebody who had sales as well. Here's somebody who has my custom setup and who got 4 sales. Here's somebody else who got 2 sales, and as you can see, this goes on and on. So here's where you're gonna pick your package, and you'll be able to set up a call with me to optimize your funnel, right? So you could pick a 90% T1 right here or 100% T1 for the best results. So you pick your package, and then you could set up a call with me, and I'm happy to help. I'm happy to see you, get results. And you want to look at this, section right here before you actually purchase, so you could get majority of your questions answered. When you purchase, there are no refunds because it's paid traffic. And if you attempt a refund, then that is going to result in a legal action because you have to agree to the terms of no refunds. So that's only to protect my payment processor, but I do compensate people if they have an issue with the order. I will make up for that order, right? So, make sure you click on the link, below this video to order your traffic package, and I will get you started to be able to get results online with cold traffic and solo ad traffic for your E1U life opportunity. And I hope to see you on the call after you book your package, and I want to see you get results. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.